CMRX, 2 minutes to the opening bell. Date 10/8/2014. Time 6:28 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We close at 33. This is Ebola. This is a biotech company that we have been featuring. And I just want everybody to see the volume because we're going to gap up here right below this $36 area, and we're going to try to get orders on the limit in on the pullback. So once again, 419,000 shares on CMRX, and I will update this live trade as we go through the opening bell. Here we go, MMTs. Right now we're covering that CMRX that we have been buying for ages. And I want everyone to be aware, on that opening bell, we had a right elbow. We gapped up, it held 34.60, and then it hit 35.89. And this is what it looks like as far as this opening hour bell. And we're very proud to say that we are taking some money off of the table. I mean, you know, throughout our whole crew, we have several thousands of shares of this. And the old saying is, pigs get slaughtered and professionals get paid. So there's nothing wrong with taking some off of the profit today. I got 3.4 million shares, 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are exactly 1 hour into the tape of the opening bell in this first hour. The time is, once again, 7:30 a.m. The date is 10/8/2014, and it's all about the big winner, Ebola, that disease. Buddy, they're the closest thing to a vaccine. There's other players that you all know that we did. We did a few others, but this one here is the one that we really like. And we still have a hold. What I would like to tell everybody is that it came up here to 36.80 actually. Was coming up right below there. So 35.80. The next lower, bigger move is going to be somewhere around 36.45 pennies. And we're going that way. We are going up. This is live. That's the 3-minute bar. That's the triple top. Okay? Money flow in the stock is 4 million. I will come back later on this very trade. It is 1 hour of the opening bell. Learn how to trade the first hour. You will make a lot of money. Here we go on CMRX. This is a 13-minute chart. There was a headline out on CNBC that the man that had Ebola in Texas has died. Does that have anything to do with CMRX? No. We were selling it up here because there was a lot of resistance at $36. And we had bought this stock several days ago, and we sold it right up in here. Mr. Flag and Tiger and our other lady friend was here. They witnessed this. I'm doing a special, but here's what I'm doing. Because of a headline event that the man has died, the first case of Ebola in the United States has died. Does that have anything to do with Wall Street? Does that have anything to do with this company? This company's in third phase trials. They weren't treating that man. They sold it down so it could be bought at the bottom, and it may go lower. It's a quick trade. You can see the 13-minute chart. I will be updating the headlines on the website on stock market funding this evening. And once again, this is live. And once again, when that stock today gapped up, made the high, consolidated, we had to sell into it. And we did. Did we ever think anything like this would happen? No, we did not. It's not part of CMRX. It has nothing to do other than the headline word, Ebola. Patient died in Texas, first one. So anything that's related to that disease that they're going to use is all of them sold down. And we've covered every one of them. And we bought them a long time ago. But the thing about it is, if you didn't sell, pigs got slaughtered. This is live right now. It happens to be 8:27 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's the time. West Coast, Pacific Standard. The date is 10/18. 10/8. I was just looking at a stock chart over there. It's 10/8/2014. And this is what happened on the headline event. Learn how a stock can get slammed on a headline event that is not even relevant to the company. This is what headlines do in markets. I will go into the part of the high frequency algorithmic programs that pick up on these headlines and create a high frequency sell. And once again, we're just going to say to everybody, as we go lower, we have a buying opportunity. And we do. I just want everybody to know, I'm going to blow up this 13-minute chart. Here's where we were buying it. We were way down here, $14. And we told everybody that back in May, we had some information that their trials were doing good, and the stock had a great run. I mean, come on. $14 to what? $36? Huh? You see? I'm just going to open this up right here, because this is back in time right here. And we're at 29.82 right here. So, let me set this thing up. And I'm going to show you live right now. This is a 13-minute chart. We're breaking that pivot line right here at 29.82. That's what it looks like. I'm going to update a 60-minute chart. It's live right now. I want to show this movement from the headline event at 36. That headline event. This is a 60-minute drop in the stock. So the minute that that headline hit, that the United States had their first death of the disease, any stock that's related, that's in trials, is getting tanked. Doesn't have anything to do with that man, but that's the 60-minute bar. This morning, some of our new people and our managers that I manage, I had them selling into it on the gap. They gapped that thing up and ran it to 35. And look at the $36 resistance. It hasn't been able to take that out. Just remember, you got to sell, and if you keep a stock, you don't lose all your profits. I mean, we're still making money even at this level, but we sold into it, and that's how you got to treat biotech stocks. A headline, an event. We're making lower lows right now. We bought and sold it real quickly, but I'm gonna put an order out here right now. I'm gonna steal this stock right now, and I'll put my limit order out live before everyone. And I'm gonna put my order down here. I'm gonna draw a trend line live right now, and I'm gonna put the belly of that right there. That's 28.70. So that means that this area right here at $26, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to steal the stock. I'm going to buy the stock at 25.5. I am going to do the order. Hold on 1 minute. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to put a limit order at $25.50. And we're going to buy 1,000 shares there. We are going to steal the stock off of the headline. This is live. This is before every one of us. This is not after the fact. This lesson is to learn how to trade the headline, how headlines can affect a stock, and how it can give a great buying opportunity. 1,000 shares at 25 right here. 1,000. I send the order. There it is. There is the live order at 25.50. Now, like I said, biotech stocks, you got to know how to trade those. So basically, I'm way over here. I'm actually below that trend line right there. So you know, this is that here. I'll just let me blow it up again for you. This is that 60-minute bar, and 60-minute bar right here. Look at this thing was over here at 26. I'm right below it, right over here. That was on 9/22, a 2014 price. And here, look. Everybody knows right now that we sold it. And we get to buy it back at $25.50. I put 1,000 shares out there before everybody. Everybody can see it. Remember, people, this is not after the fact. This is here. This is live. This is the entry. And this is the truth on CMRX at 8:33 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date is 10/8/2014. This is a live trade with our MMT managers and our MMT students and everybody to know how to buy the good news. Just remember, though, this stock, this company, had nothing to do with that man's death. It's a headline. We master trading the headlines.